Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how we can add manually article or paper to your ResearchGate. If you see it helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's get started. First, from add new or add research, it doesn't make any difference. For example, I add new. Here, published researches, then article, select it and upload file. That's my research or article. Just select it. Open. If you want to your article be private, select third option. Otherwise, you can select one of these two. First, select this one and agree with the conditions. I select this one to activate this upload. Okay, select this one and upload. Title, that's the title. That's co-authors. Directly it's selected. Select co-authors. This one. Okay. I uncheck this one. Okay. That's co-authors. Okay. You can add more if you want. Just from here, you can search for co-authors if you want. If you have, I don't have anyone. I don't have more co-authors, that's all. So date. Okay. That's DOI. I think it's all. Just continue. Make your article more discovered by adding additional details. Has it been peer reviewed? Yes, it has already been peer reviewed. You can select this one. Journal name, you can add journal name. If you want to add more detail, here you can select the journal you want. Which journal published your article. Enter a volume, enter an issue, and enter a page. I skip this one. Okay. You can add email address for your co-authors. Invite co-authors, not now. Okay. View article. Assessment of erosion potential and infiltration capacity in the Karsnazan pond using morphometric analysis article information. Now it appears on your profile. Rashad, is this publication from your current lab? You can select it or not. That's all. Have a nice time.